Log in and begin the purchase. Have your patient log into their My Own Voice account. Next to the language they recorded in, they'll see a button labeled Purchase My Voice Package. Click that, and they'll be taken to a confirmation screen. All right, double check that all personal information is correct. Under Purchase Plan, your patient will have two options: $99 a month, which is a subscription model that works on one device, or $999, a one-time fee for unlimited use across unlimited devices. Once they've chosen the plan that fits their needs, they click Validate Order to complete the process. The voice file will be delivered via email, typically within 2 to 3 business days. Once your patient has it, they can upload the file into compatible devices and apps.